Ka North Eastern Hills University Students Union hanegasngi kala yo benjit thymmai ya kinongkit kam jongka na ka benda ka samoy tray kam jong usnem arjar arpusau hudu arjar arpusan hakaba ya kinongjop lapun bena hanegasngi ya ka result lapun bena da returning officer jong election na ka benda ka kanhun ki samla pule kata uba David Pongrup ubedairu upiaro jong gane ke school ba Usamla Sandi Sohtun na ka department jong ka adult continuing education department ula syajit kumu president berthamai da ka penlim ya usamla Kenny Karbitai na ka law department hakju ka por usamla Toniho S Kharsati law department ula syajit kumu general secretary da ka penlim ya usamla Bantam Dor Kharbi na ka political science department nangta ka samla Ricky Daipuram Raban Environmental Studies Department kala syajit kum ka Vice President da ka penlim ya ka samla Phibari Shisha Nongsak na ka Tourism and Hotel Management Department habakran mat kinong tho kubor hadin kijing penbena ya ka result u General Secretary berthamai jong ka NEHUSU ulaong ba ka kanhun kan sabut din ni kimat kibai dai berkerkom IMAX ni ka marking system Ulang ro ba ka marking system ha kani school ba kadai ka balarim usamla Kharsati ulang ba ka kenhun barim klasim ya kani kamat banyakren bat kim semla ban penurong bat ban poi sha ka bakut
all present here. So we have come to the final stage of the election process. So first of all I would like to congratulate all the students, the voters who have come out to vote yesterday in spite of the weather condition, in spite of the schedules of exams and all. And it is in the history of the university that the election has been extended up to 6 p.m. yesterday, considering the students who have exams, practical exams up to 4 p.m. So we have extended the voting time till 6 p.m. yesterday. And I should thank all the students, all the candidates for cooperating with us. So thank you so much. Now, before we declare the results, I just like to say a few words. We are here as a university community. We work together, the administration, the staff, the students, we try to work together to uplift the image of the university. And in the contest, there should be a winner and there will be a loser. So I congratulate all the candidates for having come forward to contest in the election. It shows a healthy environment in the students' community. And I take the opportunity to thank all the support, the teachers who are in different communities, different committees. We have the election commission, we have the grievance redressal cell, we have the election committee. So the support and cooperation from all the teachers, all the members, that is very, very important in making everything, in conducting this election in a smooth and peaceful way.
As we move ahead, is very, very criteria for the sustenance of this university. We will always fight what is wrong and we will always support what is right. I am also the president of NEHU Teachers Association. I am also the director of sports. Apart from everything else, I am also a stakeholder of this university. Being a local, being somebody from here, it's my responsibility to see that everything goes well. And I'm sure some of you, as you pass out, you will join NEHU, you will be in different realm of affairs. I think please remember that people will come and go. Vice chancellors will come and go. This university will stay here for all times to come. And hence, how we conduct ourselves and how we put this university into functioning mode is very, very critical. And I want to assure at least the new body, whoever will come, that we will work hand in hand to ensure that there has to be honesty at every level. There has to be transparency, and there has to be a fair way of treatment for everyone. Nobody is above the law. Everybody, including right from the VC to the students, everybody must avoid the law. The same applies to us. And hence, friends, I think before you get the result, let's cheer up. Whoever wins, like I said, it doesn't matter. This university belongs to us. You all have to work, because if you get vaccinated and you have division among yourself, you will realize that somebody will take you for a ride, and that we don't want to see in this university. Because as teachers body, we stand strong. I believe that as student body, when you win, you will be stronger than ever, because we have fought in the last regime hand in hand with the NEHUSU and NEHUSA, and also along with NEHUTA, our association. And I do believe that if time comes, we will still continue to fight together for the sake of our university and for all the welfare that you need, because you deserve the best. And that's what I think your student body will have to look after, because don't make it just namesake, make yourself count. And that's very important. How the new body will make themselves count will be depending upon what kind of issues, because you deserve the best. You need to have the best of hostel, you need to have the best of bus facilities, you have to have the best of the indoor facility, you have to have everything that you deserve from a central university, and people at the helm of affair has to provide you this. And I'm sure we will work together as time comes. But then, there is enough time for lecture maybe sometime later, but then
we'll start from the executive members. The editors, for the post of editor, Mr. Riboklang Kharthang Mao received 583 votes. Mr. Bashankur Bo Roy received 1155 votes. For the post of Public Relations Secretary, Ms. Meba Aihun Marbanyang received 613 votes. Ms. Nafisa Bet Marwen received 1140 votes. For the post of Academic Secretary, Mr. Easter Son Sohtun received 601 votes. Mr. Banskemlang Marwen received 1154. We'll just respect each other and rejoice our result. Okay. For the post of Social and Cultural Secretary, Mr. Founder L. Laurenian received 531 votes. Ms. Edna Kalista Kharsati received 1214 votes. For Games and Sports Secretary, Mr. Paisan Kanter received 551 votes. Mr. Soki Sati received 1054 votes. For the post of Finance Secretary, Mr. Wanki Daini Bla received 586 votes. Mr. Ompaidean Sutong received 1161 votes. For the post of Assistant General Secretary, Mr. Welkinstone Shadap received 507 votes. Ms. Eva Kodor Kharshandi received 1251 votes. For the post of General Secretary, Mr. Bantamdor Kharbi received 479 votes. Mr. Toniho S. Kharsati received 1286 votes. For the post of Vice President, Ms. Phibari Shisha Nongïalam received 572 votes. Mr. Ricky Deiburam Rabon received 1195 votes. For the post of President, Mr. Kenny Kharbitai received 650 votes and Mr. Sandy Sohtun received 1103 votes.
Thank you very much. We will declare the result to the press later in the evening. Thank you.
Mình sạp đi nhà anh lên tay cái đó là ai lại ini mình trả chết hay đi có một công chú rồi kena berat jauh sekolah ba ayo kita bentabut kita ke parti ke tim ke jungi ke thong ni ke jungi kalang ba wanda ke jingkalah ke university kumbo PE nodo ki por sistem di balale ke jingduna ke dan ben kum ki recruitment lu bon ke nong hikai bigila dap song thai kim ju sha recruit so ke kum ki facilities kum ki infrastructure bon ki infrastructure ru andala do no kim ju pen kaliang so ke ni na kaliang jungi la snai ke manifesto por ni campaign ke petikana ro mata bang la saje kum ki Nongïalam juga NEHUSU ni petikana bang in urlong ita ki manifesto ada ngila 100% ru dong nu papo kene ko ni petikana ban urlong bang
Tingi iba ki habe dei ba kajik ye jong ki na dai ki ba khamtam ki basa teng teng ko kalai wifi teng teng kim yo hato kane ka issue findang chim ta
na kaliang jungi hi kini no issue ki bakta i khna sama kuliah ki basa ko school ba ki hostel in pentikna ba ni dan course ko ni nya yaksa manta kini ki issue ki ba kta i khna kuliah hostel kum ki kabam ke kunjuk ke infrastructure dan kaliang ke jungi in pentikna ba in tray stom ba kunjur min manra ke jingkala ba kena sama kuliah kinyo ya kata ke jingsuk ba kata ke facilities ba kidi banyak ke kum ke university
habe dei ba ki bus pat
kumbani tep hi ke bus muchwa ke bugun te manta kila nang her ba kina nang du ke kat kum ke UGC kila keren ba kimnum pen kimnum aila cho ita ki bus ba kan provide ke university te nakliang jungi nila buah ke manifesto lada ke university kamla show ban thiet ki bus ne la kamla show bakin wai ki bus in petikana banginya ni yo ban sulap na bat ka sor ka state government bagin pin yelong collaboration na bakin ki stem bus te ai kali no ini
to habe dei ngi i bha ya dei bar ka isi ki Nongïalam ki ba barem dei habe dei bar to ka making kimak jam ki khna hato se kumpi ki Nongïalam bathamai hato phindang budem ne amya gane
kabaidi bat kimaking system ho ni shama bakanihu kamaking system no kanihu kadi outdated tangba kum gaji bersang jengi ro kum ni sajid ma ki Nongïalam thamai jengi nihu tingir kum bersang bakatu kamaking system kaba ki Nongïalam ki barem ki bagi khemla wan pen program ya kata ngin ma chaprang ba ngin try ba hakapor jengi ro ngin push ke administration ngin push ke nihu hi bakan kan pen urlong ngin kata khnang bagi khna nihu ki ba kuliah ke school ba nihu kinyo ikata ka equal opportunity kum ba ki school ma ki Central University ha India
let's say kum ki let's say ki jingduna ki ba PE ha kane ka school ba kane hu ki ba phindang dangkam banchim lane ki let's say kita ki issue ki ba thamai
kepengurusan ke bangayo imo nak mana de license ngala sa anihu na iba kan nihu ko jingi kamdan kan national presence ki bon ki competition ki ba ki universities ki shimanta Sujerific India kum ka Khelo India competition kum ka Association of Indian Universities ka penlong competition bapher tamaga pen siusi pat yangi kalong ba kanihu kamla man phai ki khna kum ki competition dang shen hi kisnam ki baladep kasnam ka baladep ka nihu ka host sekwe ka discipline ng Khelo India ka takade ka archery tamaga pen singelong ngo pat kalong ba uwei ru ndantang uwei khna ru ma khna nihu bayaban shimanta kum ki ni ki national level competitions te ka thong juni hi ka dei bangin I platform ni ki khna bangin empower ki khna bangin transform bangin change ka ni university nang maban prila ki khna ba ki shimanta kum ki ni ki national level competitions khnang ba kanaman ra ka borom ka laurels ha ka university jani ba ka university jani kan ipu iping ha ka nong ba ha ka negari India jani hi bar away